Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin now. Power the phone off and eject the tray to avoid shorts. Apply steady heat around the edges at roughly 60 to 70 degrees to soften adhesive. Use a suction cup and pry picks to lift the screen gently. Work one corner at a time and make small openings rather than forcing a big gap. Keep screws in a labeled tray so you know which goes where. This prevents misplacing tiny parts and speeds reassembly later. Once you have access, remove the display bracket carefully. Note screw lengths and positions because they vary. You disconnect the battery first to cut power and prevent shorts, then work through the display, digitizer, and front camera flex cables in order. If the new LCD lacks small components like shields or the earpiece, transfer them now. This ensures fit and function. Take photos as you go to remember cable routing, and test fit the replacement without sealing to verify alignment and connector seating. You finish by reconnecting the display after all internal cables are seated, then reconnect the battery and power on for a quick functional test. Check touch, colors, and front camera. Make sure to seal with fresh adhesive strips or recommended frame glue, applying even pressure and allowing proper cure time. If something fails, like touch or backlight, don't panic. Power down, reseat the digitizer cable, clean contacts with isopropyl, and if
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.